Atkins Civil 3D video series, Road 7C, cross sections, primary road. This video illustrates A. Default section view settings, B. Create section views, C. Insert Atkins grid sheet, and D. Grid sheet labels. Cross sections are plotted in Civil 3D with each section having its own grid. It is generally more desirable to have cross sections plotted on full grid section sheets. In this video, the cross sections are automatically spaced and placed in groups conforming to a 24 by 36 inch layout sheet with no grid. A pre-formatted grid sheet with horizontal and vertical grid lines at the appropriate scale is then inserted over the cross sections. Atkins section grid sheet drawing that contains two pre-formatted grids are included in the reference drawings. Each grid contains horizontal and vertical grid lines drawn at a scale of 1 inch equals 1 foot and contains a 22.8 by 32.4 border that is suitable for inserting into a 24 by 36 inch sheet with a 2 inch space for a title block. When inserted into the drawing, the grid sheet is scaled to the desired cross-section scale. 20 for 1 inch equals 20 feet, 15 for 1 inch equals 15 feet, etc. One grid has horizontal and vertical lines spaced 1 inch apart, which is suitable for 4:1 ratio with horizontal scale of 1 inch equals 20 feet and a vertical scale of 1 inch equals 5 feet. The other grid sheet has 1 inch spaced vertical grid lines for the horizontal distance and 5/3 inch space horizontal grid lines for the vertical elevation, which is suitable for a 3:1 ratio with horizontal scale of 1 inch equals 15 feet and vertical scale of 1 inch equals 5 feet. The plotting height of labels is automatically controlled by the drawing scale when plotted. Since a drawing scale will be at the normal design scale for the project, the height of the section sheet labels need to be adjusted accordingly. For a normal drawing design scale of 1 inch equals 20 feet and a cross-section sheet horizontal scale of 1 inch equals 15 feet, the height of the cross-section labels should be 3/4 of the normal height, 15 divided by 20. Cross-section defaults, settings, right-click drawing name, edit drawing settings, section, see road section labeling, see road text, section view, C3D section view labeling, C3D section view text, section view quantity takeoff table, C3D section view text, OK. Right-click section view, edit feature settings, default styles, marker style, none or blank, section view offset elevation label style, no display, section view depth grade label style, no display, projection style standard, section view style 20 horizontal 5 vertical no grid, section view band set no band, section view label set no label set, group plot style road section projection label style no display, default name format, section view name template, section view station, cross-section sheet layout name template, section sheet next counter, section view creation, specify section view offset range no, specify section view height yes, section group elevation range follow a section, corridor point grade labeling method, section code set style, default projection label placement, dimension anchor option above, dimension anchor elevation value for projections 0.0 inches, dimension anchor plot height value for projections 2.00 inches. OK. Expand section view, commands, right-click create multiple section view, edit command settings, table creation, split table false, maximum number of rows 20, maximum tables per stack 3, table spacing 0.5 inches, total volume table style, cut fill areas, material volume table style standard, X offset 0.0, Y offset minus 0.3 inches, tile direction across, section view anchor, bottom center, table anchor, top center, table layout, horizontal, multiple section view creation, specify multiple section view station range, yes, default section view height 15 feet, placement option, production, okay, expand general, multipurpose styles, marker styles, right click circle very small, edit, view directions, section, component display, marker, visibility, turn off. Okay. Road cross-sections are generally plotted to visually check the relationship between the design improvements and the existing surface, especially at the property line. As such, elevation labels of design objects are rarely shown on cross-sections. Create multiple section views for Kincade, Prospector, corridors. Right-click Kin Corridor, Rebuild, Clear all events, Close panorama, Home ribbon, Profile and section views, select section views icon, create multiple views, General tab, Alignment, Kin Crown, Sample line group, SLG, Kin Crown Road, Station range, automatic. Sections to be plotted are controlled by range of section line group. Section view name, section view station, section view layer, C3D section view style, 20 horizontal, 5 vertical, no grid. Section placement, placement option, production. Use layout from a template file, template for cross-section sheet, browse, plan production. Atkins road sections, open. Atkins road section has a 32.4 by 22.8 border, okay. Group plot style, road section, offset range, user specified, -50 for the left, 50 for the right. Elevation range, user specified 15 feet. Section view height option, follow a section, Kin datum surface. Section display options, remove the top surface and datum surface, display existing ground, the corridor, ground removed and ground fill. Style, existing ground is existing ground, Kin corridor is Atkins, ground removed, cut fill, ground fill, cut fill. Data bands, select data band set, no band. Section view tables, type, total volume, cut fill areas, add, section view anchor, bottom center, table anchor, top center, table layout, horizontal, X offset 0.00 inches, Y offset -0.30 inches, create section views, pick a clear area above the plan view approximately in line with the profile views for the lower left corner of the sections. It may take approximately 30 seconds or so for the section to be displayed. Do not move a cross-section after it has been created using the production placement method. If it is moved, subsequent drawing regenerations will move the cross-sections back to their original location. Insert Atkins grid sheet drawing into the road improvement drawing. Enter to start the insert command. In the dialog box, browse to location of the drawing reference folder. Select the Atkins section grid sheet drawing, open. Insertion point, specify on screen, yes, place check mark. Scale, do not specify on screen. X, use the section drawing scale, 20. Uniform scale, yes, place check mark. Rotation, do not specify on screen. Angle, 0.00 degrees. Explode, yes, place check mark, okay. Redefine block definition, yes, redefine it. Locate the grid and border to the right of the earthwork quantities for the lower left corner. Two separate grids with borders are inserted, with each being a block. Copy the left grid and border block, which is for the vertical scale, equals the section scale divided by 4. CO, enter. To start the copy command, pick the first grid and border, enter. Insert point, pick the intersection of the first horizontal grid line from bottom and first vertical grid line from the left. Insert point, Pick the lower left corner of a green border. Place additional copies at each cross-section sheet. Escape. Erase the Civil 3D green and yellow section view borders. Escape clear commands. Enter to start erase command. Use Windows crossing to select the green borders. Enter. Enter to repeat erase command. Enter to complete the command. Escape to clear the command. Draw a vertical center line on the section sheet at the road crown. On layer C, road-CL, PL, enter. To start the polyline with snap on, pick a grid line at the top and at the bottom border along the crown, enter. Pick the polyline. In Properties Palette, line type scale, 2, enter. Global width, 0.35, enter. Escape. Create centerline text label. A copy of the text -0.10 inch label was made and placed above the top border. Pick the label. In Properties Palette, change the contents to C. Enter. Change height to 4. Enter. Escape. CO. Enter to copy label. Change one copy to L. Move. Enter. Pick L. And superimpose on C to make the CL label. Create distance offset label. Pick the C. Change the contents to 20 feet. Change the height to 3. Enter. Escape. CO. Enter to copy the 20-foot label and place for the offset distances on the left and right side of the center line. Escape. Change the 20 feet to 40 feet. 40 feet. Enter. Copy the label. CO. Enter. Pick the labels and move to just above the bottom border. Enter. Move. Enter. Make a copy of the vertical center line and the labels. CO. Enter. Pick the labels and the center line. Enter. Pick the end point of the vertical center line. Move to other location. Escape. Copy the center line and the label. CO. Enter. Pick each of the center line. Pick the labels along the bottom. Pick the labels along the top. Enter. Base point. Pick the lower left corner of the border. Move to the other borders. Escape. Make general observations of sections to spot any irregularities. The section at 3469 is missing. The range for the section view is 380 to 395. The range for the adjacent sections is 440 to 455. Pick the section view label and right-click. Section view properties. Change the elevation range, 440 minimum, 455 maximum. Apply. OK. The sections at intersections along the side road curb and gutter have a strange appearance, which is caused by the section sample lines passing through the corridor curb return region radial lines. It is good practice to move these type of section sample lines to clear the gutter where possible. Use Prospector to delete all sections, alignment, centerline alignments, Ken Crown, sample line groups, SLG Ken Crown, section view groups, right-click section view group, delete. OK. In this portion of the video, the section sample lines were moved to clear the side road curb and gutters at each intersection, and new sections were created. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.